Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Zygo the Frog token. Now this token I just saw is being listed on a few different central exchanges. I'm seeing them being advertised right now on Dex Screener. So this token's doing a pretty good job of promoting themselves. This is on the Ethereum blockchain. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So 11 hours ago, Bitmart at Bitmart Exchange just tweeted out upcoming new listing. Bitmart will list the Zygo Frog token soon. So keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So that's one listing coming soon. That doesn't give the exact time and date yet, so you have to stay tuned for that. But then also XT.com, the XT exchange, just tweeted out, XT will list Zygo the Frog in the Innovation Zone meme section soon. Stay tuned for the schedule of deposit withdrawals and trading. So those are two big central exchange listing announcements. There might be more in the future. So if you follow their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, at Zygo Frog, maybe they'll announce some more. But they are also going to announce the time and dates for this token listing on XT and Bitmart coming soon as well. So one way to get this token is to download either Bitmart or XT.com from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and when the token gets listed on either Bitmart or XT, you would go into the trade section or the Innovation Zone meme section, and then you would search ZYGO and then simply trade your USDT for this token. So that is one way to get it. Now, you can get it before it gets listed on Bitmart and XT on Uniswap, or maybe XT or Bitmart is not available in your country, or maybe you just don't like central exchanges. You can get this token off of Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or your Coinbase wallet, whatever wallet you use for Ethereum tokens. You would fund that wallet with ETH. Then you would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your ETH for the Zygo the Frog token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is zygothefrog.com. Now you may have to set slippage if there is taxes in the tokenomics, but we're going to have a look for that in a second, see if we could find that. And yeah, we're going to also look for, so if you're looking for the chart and the price for this token, you can find it on Dex Tools or Dex Screener. You could also find this token on Etherscan. And yes, it's listed on CoinMarketCap as well right now. On their webpage, zygothefrog.com, you can find all those links, plus their Telegram, Twitter, and Discord channel. You can even log in on their webpage, it looks like, create an account. It says, join Zygo on his misadventures and be a part of the growing meme coin revolution. Unique animated series. Experience humor and entertainment through Zygo's animated series. Zygo the Mischievous, they call it. So it says, join Zygo on a crazy and mischievous adventure in the crypto world. Be a part of a growing meme coin revolution with Zygo the Mischievous. There is a total supply here, it says fixed supply, no minting, of 1 billion Zygo coins. It says ownership renounced, and we're going to verify that in a second. We're going to check that out on DEX tools, see if that's true. It says clear and well-known ownership structure. Liquidity locked for 25 years on Team Finance, it says. No buy and sell tax, zero taxes on transactions. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap, you probably will not have to worry about slippage or anything like that. It says white paper, detailed white paper available. No pre-sale, no tokens sold before the public launch. Development team holds less than 5% of the total supply. Active digital presence, it says strong and active presence across digital platforms. Enjoy Zygo's animated series full of humor and entertainment, which is planned for the second quarter to air on a YouTube channel. So they're going to have a YouTube channel with an animated series about Zygo the Frog coming soon. It says join the Zygo army and be a part of the growing meme coin revolution. So their Telegram here has 15,949 members. 2,089 of them are online. It says Zygo is a crypto token created for the community with the goal of promoting joy and shared profit. We believe the crypto investments should be fun and rewarding for everyone. So, I mean, that right there is a great place. That Telegram is a great place to talk to the community members, ask questions, see what they think. So far they have 407 holders, a total supply and circulating supply of 1 billion tokens. They have a 24-hour trading volume today of $13,920. They have a market cap of $275,190. Liquidity in Uniswap right now is $104,960, and according to DEX tools, 98.2% of the total liquidity in Uniswap is locked for 25.08 years. And then it says less than 1% liquidity lock for 1 month and 1.63% liquidity lock for 1 month too. So, I mean, almost all of the supply is locked for 25 years in Uniswap there. They have a DEX score of 92 out of 99. Now, this token pair is not new. It actually was created 27 days, 1 hour ago on Uniswap. And yeah, it's up 15% today, doing very well today. They are promoting themselves with ads, like I said, on DEX Screener, so you could check them out there. And I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.